I am Guga Schifino. I am head of digital transformation in Foro Group. It's a very, very pleasure to stay here. And big kiss for the guys stay with us in digital audience, especially for the guys from DXCO and for all. Thank you, everyone, for stay here. This QR code behind me will be help us to go deeply in some points that I can do it because you have not much time for do this speech here. And my English is a little bit rusty, and if you scan this link, you have our presentation and you have the good article about these 5 waves in the next normal ways. And for you just to warm up a little about this point, I would like everyone here think a little why I call this next normal and not new normal. For me, new normal is a little bit static. We don't live in a picture. We live in a move, in a stream life. We can tell this moment like a static point, like a box. That's why I think it's smarter call this moment as next normal and not new normal. And other thing, I would like, just for warm up here, our first lesson, our first wave, thinking about that we are in totally new moment. The moment that you are right now, and this moment, thinking that the people that are around you have much more time than, have much more money than time. We are talking about speed, about the time. Time is crucial. And that is our first point here that I use for introduce our first wave. Doesn't work yet? No. No, yeah, the red, the green one, no. Oh, I think we need to change this one, maybe? No, that's not good. Okay. They are fixing the setting point. Okay. Start again. We are talking about this first wave. In this first wave, we are talking about the speed. The speed up in the pace of the right now customer. That's so important, this point here, because everything that you're talking about, when you're talking about this new normal, this next normal, you are talking about the speed. Thinking this moment, this client that I call right now customer, this one is the client that, no? Okay, that's the now work. Thank you a lot, gracias. And this right now customer that we are talking about, our first wave, if you would like to understand about this customer, you need to understand about Generation X. Generation X is the biggest generation in Earth. Now, they represent 32% of all people on Earth. And if you add in this public, the millennials and the guys the X guys, the Generation X, that inspired in Gen Z, you have 70% of the buyers of the world's buyers. That I think is so important, study about Gen X. And Gen X Alpha, because these guys have the behavior very similar with the X, with the G, with the Generation Z, and with the millennials. Okay. Second thing that I would like talking about this right now customer, our first wave that we are surfing together, is about this new client. This change a lot, and they not compare you against your direct competitors only. If they have a good experience with Airbnb, with Spotify, or with Netflix, they expect that have the same with your brand, with your product and service. Another thing that you need to learn, that you need to study about this wave, is about right now customer. They love the truth. Don't try fool them. I think that's so important too. The perfect experience will be fast, transparency, and low cost. Two more things about this right now customer is they are super anxious and they are zero tolerance for prejudice. That second point is very important for you don't make mistakes when you talking about this new customer. Okay, and for the finish, this first wave is very important. Think this speed, this rush will be faster than now because we are coming the 6G internet, and this internet is 7,000 faster than 5G. This acceleration even more to the right now customer, and this right now customer to be more fast than right now. Okay, now you go to our second wave, and you are keeping surfing together in the second wave. The second wave is about the hardness power of community. I think everyone needs to change a little, amplify the focus of the company. First, the companies are focused only in the clients, like the customer-centric. But I think it's very important do a little bit, add a little bit more things in this and talking about the community-centric. Amplify this focus and put together your team, your stakeholders, and the society around you. That is so important right now. We are community-centric. Is important for understand this kind of this power that you never seen before. Two things about this second wave for you keep in the same page of this new generation of buyers. One is purpose. Without purpose, you don't have nothing. You don't have a story for telling. You don't have a strong brand. And probably you don't have a loyal client too. And the second important thing for have a community, you need a multiply vision. You need a dragonfly eyes. Your eyes need to be with like a sensor, many sensors in your lens, for you can see the different ways, the same point that you are looking for. That I think dragonfly eyes, multiple vision is absolutely necessary for making relevance the companies in the digital age. Other thing so important is thinking about what kind of company do you like. I think if you read this book that I recommend right now, Humanocracy, you will find creating an organization as amazing the people that inside there. I love this book. And keep in your mind, you need a team. This team is not a mirror of the leader, but the mirror of the society that this company is inside. You need, if you have a multiple vision, if you have a people together you that can see the world with the different views, probably we will arrive at the point that you will like. The third point that's so important here is about communication. The right now customer, this guy live in the community digital mode. They need a different kind of marketing, of communication, that I suggest we change, we reframe, we change some points of the 4 P's of marketing that we working for a long time. These four piece, in the old one, they have 60 years old. Their product, price, place, and promotion. I think they did a wonderful job, but now they need rest a little. The new piece that I suggest to you for putting in your idea, in your thoughts when you are thinking about the company, keep the product in this list, because every time you have something or for some service for sell for someone, okay, this P you keep, but you need bring a 3 new piece. Pulse is absolutely necessary. Thinking about that, how the company can grow if the company don't take the pulse of their clients. It's about empathy. Empathy is about feeling what the clients are thinking about your brand or about your product. That I think this new piece is so important, and this one is out of the oldest 4 piece of marketing. The 2 of more piece that I recommend you thinking about is purpose, because without purpose, you only have a bunch of people thinking a lowest price, and I think that's not idea for any company. And the pace you're talking a lot when you are talking about our first wave, and the first wave is exactly about the speed up in the same moment that right now customer. And this about piece that you're talking a lot. In the end of the day, it's not about doing business. It's about doing the right thing. That's, I think, the marketing need to be for make sense for right now customer in the moment when the companies are community-centric. That we are going to the 4th wave. The 4th wave is about data. I know a lot of people that stay here watching me know about a lot about data that I think I can cross for this point a little bit fast. But I think we are growing the expression about data. First, we're talking about the data is the new oil. After the data is a new energy. But I think the best way when you're talking about the data is the base of the new digital society. If you don't have data, you don't have nothing. That I recommend surf this wave with very careful, because this data, probably the data worth more than companies right now, and that's much more important in the next few years. In the end of the day, what our company would like, do personalization, and this you can do only with data. And two sentences here, 2 quotes here that I would like to share with our audience. I like this one from Tracy. She is a Facebook, she's a head of the Facebook industry, and she said, in a world guided by data, it is the product that defines the perfect customers. And the other sentence is about Dave Epstein, my friend. He's from New York, and has a, you don't need to know anything about anything. You just need to have enough data, and the answers will show up. That's so nice, this expression too, and complement everything that you're talking about the data. And the last thing that I would like so much to talk about the data is thinking about the data is not yours, not your company. The owner of this data is the client. And the interest that you pay for this is delivering something interesting for the client that lend this data for you. If you don't pay this interest, if you don't lend the good delivery or the good reason to have this data, probably the client will take out from you these data. And the 5th wave that we will serve together right now is about keep track in the new business model. Of course, you can talk a lot about this. The most of the new business model is about the business of the business of platform, and thinking about the most of things that you deliver right now, like a products or services, the most of in 10 years don't make more sense. That's why I think everyone needs thinking about destroy your own company and thinking minimum 1/3 of time thinking about the new business that can do for make them relevant in this new digital era. I will talk just, I will share some example here, but just a few. You don't have many time for do this right now. And I remember again the QR code that I'll share in the end. You can have everything here in the article very good about this point that I am just cross here. In retail, in the new retail, you have a totally different way the last retail, the retail that you live until here. In the past, you buying, stocking, and selling. But right now, you don't need more have the products. Our retail becomes marketplace that you just need perceiving, offering, and delivering. You can see how many new kind of business and deals you can do in the new retail. You don't more limitate for space or for any problem that you have in the old times. Now you are totally free for deliver the best experience for your clients. Other thing is about games. Every company need look for the games. Doesn't matter if a big company or a small company, in the games, our clients are in the game. We need to be there too. And food service are doing a very good job in the games. McDonald's example, but there's a lot of example by that. Fashion, the same. Louis Vuitton are doing a very nice job with the games. Hype working very well with Animal Crossing here in Europe. I think there's a lot of example. Be very careful about the games. Other thing is about live stream commerce. Live stream commerce, for me, nowadays is the biggest point, and every company need looking. This example is about the Lipstick King. Only this guy in the live stream, and you can have the social commerce and the conventional commerce too, is the same idea. This guy only from China have every day 3 million people watching him. That's how big it is. I love this sentence by Livia Hu from Shops. She said that the live stream is simple, is straightforward, and true. And I think our digital life need to be like that. I recommend here 2 books more, Business of Platform and The Innovation Dilemma. I think so nice this moment you see. Here, our 5 waves that we're talking about. I hope that these 5 points help you in your company, in your professional life. And in the sum up of the overall goal about this point, we are talking about to be friends of tomorrow. When the time is in our side, we are always the winners. In the digital era, you never lose. Or we win, or we learn. That's why you need to try. And our reason to life has been the same since the beginning of time. We're looking for peace, love, comfort, and security for us and for the people we love. And when you surf these waves, maybe you whip out, doesn't matter. Take your surfboards, paddle to the lineup again, and surf again and again and again. This is about digital transformation. This is about what we need to do in this new time. Thank you.